In this video, I show you how to share location on WhatsApp. For doing this, open your WhatsApp, then click any message, then click on here. Now click on location, click on continue, allow while using the app. Now share live location, or you can send your current location. Continue. You share your live location on WhatsApp, or you can share any location. Now I hope that you share WhatsApp location. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.